Hey, what's up, guys? Hope everything's perfect for you and your loved ones. This time, I'll show you how to buy in HACOO app. What's HACOO, as you may know, is our online store where you can find things for your home, your office. I don't know. You can buy clothes. It's it's a good app. I love it. So we're gonna go to HACOO, and in this occasion, I'll try to show you how to buy some sneakers. It's not easy to find sneakers, but you can find another things. If you try to write right here sneakers, you'll find nothing. But what you need to go to do is go to second hand. In second hand, you're gonna look and you probably search find something. It's really cool. It's really easy. It's in good mode. So in this part, in we can buy and see other things that gonna go and work with our shoes, but sometimes you'll find shoes, sometimes not. Is This is just lucky, but in second hand you'll probably find something. And well, this is the way you can buy some things, some sneakers in HACOO app. Hope this was useful and see you in another video. Bye.